Welcome back, everybody. It is share time. I wanted to show you another one of our little deer that we've made for this year that I wanted to share with everybody. This little deer right here, you're going to recognize it when I get closer. It's not anything new. You guys have seen this deer pattern for years and years and years and years. Probably about 40 years ago. I'm fixing to give my age here. But probably about 40 years ago, they were extremely popular when they were made out of tree limbs and all, where people would cut the tree limbs and it would show the knots of the wood. It was more on the rustic side. But guys, we made these because we wanted them to be a little bit more on the clean side, a little bit more on the fancy side. So I wanted to share with you what we're working on. We're still doing a little touch up here and there on it, but while I had the camera, I wanted to go ahead and show you our design. Now, Eddie, my brother, he cut these out of wood. They're not made out of tree limbs. And this little guy right here was our very first one that we made when we was trying to figure out how we actually wanted to design him. Now, they crack me up every time I look at them because they're so cute and dorky. But let me tell you the idea we had on this. This one here, as you can see, these have different color saddles on them, but this one actually has a real saddle on it. I'm going to say real saddle. Maybe I should say a different type of a saddle on it. I designed it to where I had in my mind I wanted this guy to be able to carry candy canes in his saddle. So that's why I made it like that. But that was our first demo, I guess you could say, where we was trying to figure out what way we were actually going to make them. But we decided to end up just doing them a little bit more cleaner. We will, when we have more time, make some more like this that will hold candy canes. But we decided to just go on and make them, real clean cut and real pretty. And we made them in pairs as well, as a husband and a wife. So this is your female and this is your male. We made them with the velvet ribbon, and we put real little bells on the guys. And we used little wooden beads for their feet. And guys, you cannot get any cuter than that. That is just precious, precious, precious. But I tell you what, it was not easy to make these. You would think they were easy, but they were not. It took a long time for us to get these made, but we had a ball making them. It was another fun little item, no doubt about it. But guys, I just wanted to share this sweet little deer with you and show you what we were doing for this year for something small. And again, guys, you see these every year. Somebody always has one. You see them all over the internet, but they're more of the rustic, where we did these more on the clean side. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today. We will catch you on the next video. And thanks for being part of Holidays and Celebrations. Bye-bye.